Landing your first few AI clients is the hardest part about this whole business. You're pitching complicated automations to business owners who don't even understand them, and so is everybody else. So I want you to stop leading with AI. Lead with the easiest thing that you can ever sell, something that they actually understand. Fixing their Google business profile. Now, every local business needs this, and you can spot who's missing it in about 10 seconds, and it gets you in the door without leading with such a complicated pitch. Now, here's where it actually gets interesting because you can use that same service to get them to show up in AI search like ChatGPT or Claude or Gemini. And then from there, you can upsell them on automations, on voice agents, and all of that stuff. It's the perfect way to get your foot in the door without getting rejected. So, today I'm going to show you exactly what to offer, how to find businesses that actually need it, and how to turn them into your first 5 paying clients. Now, the order in which they show up is very important because to begin with, let me explain to you what I mean by Google Business Profile. So when you Google something like, hey, I live in Idaho and I need a roofer, right? Maybe that's your Google search. A bunch of these businesses are going to come up. Most people are going to pick the top three, the top five people, right? They're going to call them. First one to pick up wins the business. Very rarely are people going to go to the bottom or the second or the third or the fourth page of Google to call the nobody guys, right? They don't look trusted. No one knows if they're even in business. So they're the ones who need a lot of help. So you can see this guy, for example, Tip Top Roofing. I just found him. He's got no pictures here. He's got a horrible 3.8 rating. He's got 6 reviews, and he doesn't really look like a legit business. Now, he is somebody that we can call up and say, hey, you are not showing up on Google or on AI search or on ChatGPT. There's about 50 or 100 businesses, other roofers in Idaho, who are ahead of you. I would love to fix this for you for free. You came highly recommended to me by so and so. You worked on someone else's roof that I know, and I want to give you the visibility that you deserve. Whatever your pitch is, we can worry about that later at the end. But that is the value proposition. Now, once he's interested in seeing how we can help him, I'm going to show you how we can do that. So the software that I use is one called Go High Level. Go High Level is the most amazing all-in-one tool that exists on the planet. If you're running an AI agency and you're not using Go High Level, you are doing yourself a disservice, and that's probably why you don't have very many clients. This is the easiest and the fastest path for you to get 5 clients paying you right now. And Go High Level is the key to all of that. I'll talk more about Go High Level at the end and tell you how you can get it. But inside of Go High Level's reputation tab, which is what I'm inside, basically what you can do is you can connect a business's account to this and then go to their GBP optimization feature at the very top. What this means is Google Business Profile Optimization. And really, it's what the name suggests. It'll do everything for you. And what I mean by that is I've got my own agency, right? If you search my agency, Hexona Systems, you can see I show up on Google. I've done everything that Go High Level suggested to make me rank higher on Google. And that's exactly what happens, right? So you can see here that I've got all these reviews. So I look like a good, established, legit business. My socials are connected. Everything is set up. We've got images and all of that good stuff. That is because Go High Level told me to do that. Before I did this optimization, my score was an 8 out of 16. After I did this optimization, my score is now a 14 out of 16, which means I'm going to show up better, I'm going to look more legit, and get more business. Now, it's very simple. Once you connect your account, it's going to tell you exactly what needs to be done. So for me, it says, hey, your description needs work. It doesn't tell them what exactly you do. You need to add more images. You need to put categories, services. I haven't set my address yet because we recently moved, so I need to update that. So you just come over here, you click on edit, you do what it asks you to, and that's automatically going to update inside of the Google profile, which is super cool. A lot of businesses don't add opening hours or holiday hours. These things send signals to Google saying, hey, I'm still in business. I care about my profile. Please help me move up the rankings. Give me a little boost. Connecting social profiles. So your website, your Facebook, your Instagram, your LinkedIn, as much as you have, you should connect. I have a Twitter as well. So why don't I connect my Twitter right now with you? So I'll do X, Hamza Automates, copy that link, paste it there. Now that's going to give me a little boost as well. So I'm going to move up a bit. I don't know how quickly it's going to take to update, but X is going to soon show up there, which is going to be pretty cool. Then reviews. So responding to reviews is a huge one. I have an automatic AI that through this exact software responds to all of my reviews, which is really cool. So this shows people that I'm still in business, that yes, I'm a business owner, but I'm also active. I care about my customers. And I don't have to manually do this. AI is actually doing this by itself, which is awesome. And then the final thing is that people don't realize that you can make posts on Google as well. So this is something I don't even do, but if I had a client that wanted to move up the rankings, I would actually create posts for them inside of Go High Level about their business that goes directly on their Google profile inside of the social planner over here. I'm not going to get too into the weeds on exactly how this works, but basically, Google profile optimization. It's about 10 to 15 minutes of work. You know exactly who needs it because you can just go to your local town, go industry by industry, find out who is lacking in this department. I can approach Tip Top Roofers and say, hey, buddy, you're showing up on the fifth page of Google. There's 100 businesses in front of you. All of your competitors look far better. I have this free tool that I can do to help you basically supercharge your profile and start looking more legit. I would love to offer this to you free of charge. He's going to, at the very least, agree to a meeting. You show him this tool. Together, you connect his Google profile. You show him the difference before and after. And now you've built a relationship. And later, you can upsell him with other services, like offering him ads or offering him an AI receptionist or whatever his problem is. Basically, just solve that using the tool and the solution that we find here. But the idea is that this is something you have in your pocket that is a very valuable tool that is going to open the door to a lot of other business for you. And I would position it a different way. I wouldn't even say, hey, I'm going to help you improve your Google My Profile listing. I would say, I want to help you get ranked inside of ChatGPT. So when people are searching for roofers near me or roofers in Idaho, I want you to show up. Now, the reason why you're not is because your Google profile is not optimized. I have a software that will give you the steps of what you need to do to optimize that profile so then you will show up inside of these searches. I'd love 15, 20 minutes of your time. I'll do a Zoom screen share. I'll show you how the software works. If you're interested, we can do it for you free of charge, or maybe you can charge him $50 as a one-time fee or $100, anything to start getting some money in. Then from there, once this is all set up, you can upsell him with those other features like I keep saying. So that is a great foot in the door offer for you. Now, if you want more trainings like this and access to my resources, I do have a private school community which you can join. So inside of there, we teach you basically everything about starting a Go high level business and an AI agency. So how to actually learn Go high level, how to build automations, how to get paying clients, a lot of my snapshots, my templates, everything you could possibly need to get this off the ground. Plus, we have live calls as well, so you can come, you can ask me questions, you can meet me in person, whatever you want to do. And then also, we have a community of 300 plus other builders as well who are joining, asking questions, where you give feedback and advice. So if you want to be a part of this, all you have to do is sign up for Go High Level to actually use this software. But to do that, just make sure you use my link in the description because then you become an affiliate of mine. And that gives you an invite into that private group that I have. You get all of my resources, all of my bonuses, all of my support completely for free when you do become my affiliate. Just use my link. You also get an extra 2 weeks on top of their regular trial, which is awesome. Plus a personalized one-on-one kickoff call to make sure you're as successful as possible. So if you've been on the fence about starting an AI automation agency, this should be your sign. Go start your free trial. Go watch my other videos if you're still on the fence. See the tool in action. Once you're ready to go, I'll see you in the private group.